Welcome. This meditation is part of a Chakra Series, and in this session, we will be energizing and balancing our fourth energy center, our Heart Chakra, Anahata. Chakras are wheels or rings of radiating energy located at vital centers along the spine. Your Heart Chakra relates to love, self-love, compassion, forgiveness, and your ability to both give and receive love with openness and ease. When the Heart Chakra is balanced, you can experience greater compassion, forgiveness, and a deeper sense of inner peace. Let's begin. Find a comfortable upright position. Bring your hands to your knees or thighs. Close your eyes or find a soft gaze. Relax your shoulders and face. Take a deep breath in through the nose and a releasing sigh out the mouth. Notice if you're holding any tension in the body and send your next inhale to all those areas. And as you exhale, release and soften, letting go of any heaviness or unaligned energies you may have collected that no longer serve you. One more breath like that. Deep inhale through the nose. And a sigh out the mouth. Let the shoulders and the whole body relax. Bring your breath now in and out the nostrils without changing the breath, simply observing the flow of your breaths in and your breaths out. Allow yourself to trust and surrender to all the sensations you receive. And now, on your next inhale, move your breath and awareness to the center of your chest. This is your Heart Chakra, Anahata. Your Heart Chakra relates to love, love of self, love of others, being loved, loving others, and loving yourself in a healthy way, but also love as a quality, not as something you do or receive, but something you are. I am love, living in the quality of love. Imagine a glowing emerald green light at the center of your chest and at that same spot on your spine. Take a deep breath in. And as you breathe out, allow your breath to infuse this emerald green light, filling your entire chest and your whole upper back. Allow that light now to expand and surround your entire chest. Let it travel to your shoulders and your arms, all the way to the tips of your fingers. If you wish, you can gently place one hand over the other at the center of your chest, and you can internally affirm, I love and accept myself exactly as I am. I am deeply loved by the universe. I forgive myself and I forgive others. Love flows through me freely and abundantly. I am an expression of love. Remain here in awareness and continue to imagine that radiant emerald green light glowing throughout your chest, surrounding your heart and shining through your upper back. Slowly bring your awareness back to your body and the space that surrounds you. You can gently move your fingers and your toes, deepening your breaths, noticing all the sensations within you and reconnecting to the love, compassion, and peace that already exists within you. Take this awareness with you wherever you go, whatever you do. And whenever you're ready, you can slowly, gently open your eyes. Namaste.